I want to see if we're on. Are we? We should be on. Hold on. Are we on? Oh yeah, I don't want you guys to see the mic because my other mic was messed up. But anyway, welcome to the episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator. We're back with another video, and we are going to be doing some more beauty supplies. These are the stuff. This is like from Pinchme and my local dollar store and Rite Aid. So got some interesting stuff today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I wish I could turn this light off, but you guys won't be able to see my pretty face, and that's why I look the way I look. Okay? But anyway, let's start with Pinchme. We're going to move some stuff out the way. We're going to get the small stuff out the way. So this is from Pinchme. I got stuff from Bior and AccuPlus. So we're going to start with Bior. This is their self-heating 1-minute mask. And their, what is this? Their deep cleansing nose pore strip. And it's for your nose. And you use this for about like 10 to 15 minutes. And as far as pain is, because I usually be in pain, especially with my breasts and stuff like that, they gave me something called AccuPlus. It's an inflammation formula. And it's good for bruises, strains, simple backache, and sprains. And it came in this little sachet here. And then we're going to continue on with Pinchme. We got Eva NYC dry shampoo and conditioner set. This is the dry shampoo. Love the bottle, pretty cute. This is the dry conditioner. I love these because this is like so summerish colors and they're very, 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 very pretty. All right, we got Pinchme out the way. Now let's go ahead and do, let's do Rite Aid. So I got Nair again because I don't know if you noticed, but I'm really hairy. I'm super hairy. So when it comes to like shaving my legs and stuff like that, I hate cutting myself. So I always get like Nair. And this is their softening baby oil formula. And this lasts longer than shaving. And this is about, this is originally $8.29, I believe. And the price went from that to $7.73. So I only paid about like, what, $10 for this? And I love this so much because I use it almost everywhere. So yeah, if you want to know tips on how to get your hair to, like, if you want to know tips on how to remove body hair without any problems at all, like if you want to, like the best way to use this without, excuse me, my apologies, we had technical difficulty with the fan, but back to the Nair. If you would like some tips on how I can remove my hair using Nair without any other problems, if you want like a prep up type of vid, I could do that, but it won't be like in the shower or anything. It'll be like, you know, just me talking to you guys and giving you a before use on hand, things like that. But anyway, let's continue to keep going. We have 2 new items. These are the last items. This is from my local dollar store. These is something I've been needing since issues with my last ones, okay? Like, I was already on 10 when that shit started. Like, almost like messing with my head that I couldn't get these like in the proper way and like on time. But anyway, this is Eden 1-Drop Professional Nail Glue, okay? I use this and it is awesome. And when they say 1 drop, they do mean 1 drop. So it won't be messy and it won't stick to the top. And I bought 2 of these because they were like $1.19, so it was easy, like kind of like to stock up on these. And I think I bought something to drink too. Yeah, so along with the drink and these 2, they came with like $3.87. But yeah, and the Pinchme samples, of course, are free if you would like to know more about Pinchme. Did I do a video? I did pretty much almost not almost, but I did pretty much a lot of videos. I almost said a lot. I pretty much did videos that involve Pinchme samples, but if you want like a full-on description of how much I like Pinchme, how much I appreciate Pinchme for giving me these samples, that video will be up and coming, and it'll be done on my desktop instead of my laptop, because I want it to be short, sweet, and to the point. But that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video, click the notification bell, so you're notified about my videos, and you're going to have to excuse me because I'm getting ready to smoke. But anyway, I will see you all next time. Bye!